Hello and welcome to the final picks for my 12 days of Christmas giveaway. We need to do days 9, 10, 11 and 12. Again, thank you to everybody that got in the spirit of this and left comments and gave me and my family best wishes over the Christmas period. Now, unfortunately, we do seem to have an awful lot of these. I'll skip through some of the later ones. But the 9th day of Christmas prize was the mini AR wing. Awesome. Okay, now the mini AR wing, 600mm. I put an omnibus flight controller in mine with RD plane, and it is brilliant. So let's see who's going to win this. Cut and paste everything into the random comment picker. Make sure we get rid of any duplicate users. Stop people trying to game the system. Although, to be fair, there hasn't been a lot about this time. The winner of the first AR wing is DTFPVs. Is that how you say it? DTFPV. That's probably something like that. Definitely looks like you are in the hobby, and by the looks of it, you're flying tiny whoops and stuff on your channel, so you will love the wing. Congratulations. Send me your details to lee@painless360.com. Day 10. That was the, oh yes, this is it. This is the Jumper T12 radio. This is a great little radio and would make a perfect second radio for somebody to maybe pass on to family or friends. Now, let's just cut and paste everything into the random comment picker. Make sure we're removing duplicate users again. Got a bit of interest in this little radio. And the winner of the T12 radio is Chris Barlow. Oh, talking about using it for your daughter. That is actually, you know what? For somebody in the family, that is a perfect use for the T12. Congratulations. And there you are flying around. It's always lovely to see the people posting stuff on their site. Doesn't matter if you don't, but it's always fun to see it. So Chris, again, send me your details to lee@painless360.com and we'll get that sorted. Day 11. Was for this little quadcopter. Now this needs to definitely find a new home. This is a great little quad. I've got lots of other quads coming in that we'll be doing reviews of over the next couple of weeks, so do stay tuned for that. But the winner of this one, let me just load all the comments. Oh, this was a popular one. The winner of this little quadcopter is Yogi. Hopefully I pronounced that right. I heard from the last lot of giveaways that my pronunciation wasn't completely horrific, but apologies if I've just made a mess of yours. It definitely looks like you're in the hobby. I can see that you're adding some of my videos to your playlists and things as well. Fab. Okay, so again, send me your details to lee@painless360.com and I'll get this out to you. So the last one of this series. Wow, this has taken quite a lot of videos to make, but it's been really fun to be able to give stuff away. Last one is, as we started, for another Sonic model product. This time it's for another AR mini wing. So again, let me cut and paste, load everything in here for the last giveaway of the Christmas and New Year period 2019-2020. And the winner of the last prize, mini AR wing, is Pucker FPV. I'm pretty confident I've pronounced that right. Well, hope so. Pucker. Yeah, look at the flying and doing things. Awesome. Brilliant. Okay, so again, Pucker FPV, just like the other winners. Pop me your details at lee@painless360.com and I'll get these prizes sorted out for you. Best wishes for 2020 and stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Thank you for watching my video and watching right to the very end. If you want to find out what I'm currently working on, you can follow me on social media by searching for Painless360 in the usual places. If you'd like to become part of the inner circle, then you can become a Patreon. Details are in the description and you get lots of additional benefits. Check out the playlist section on the channel too. I organise all of my videos into playlists and it's called something like Introduction to or for Beginners. All of the content is aimed so that you can start at the very beginning and it teaches you that subject, starting with simple principles and moving up to teach you everything you need to know.